In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your artwork as pixels in Adobe Illustrator. If you design icons, UI elements, or graphics destined for screens, this quick technique will help you see exactly how your crisp vector shapes will look once they're displayed as pixels. It's especially useful for catching blurry edges, jagged lines, and anti-aliasing before you export. Here's what to do. Go to the top menu, open View, and choose Pixel Preview. The moment you turn this on, your vectors are displayed the way they'll appear when rasterized, meaning you're seeing a pixel-based rendering rather than the infinitely smooth math of vectors. Nothing about your actual artwork is changed, so this is purely a visual preview. You can keep editing paths, shapes, and colors as usual. Pixel Preview simply shows you how those choices translate to a screen's pixel grid. As you look at your artwork with Pixel Preview enabled, pay attention to the edges of shapes and strokes. You may notice that lines that looked perfectly clean in vector view now show subtle softening or stair-stepping. That's normal, and it's precisely the point of this mode. It highlights how curves, diagonals, and thin strokes will be anti-aliased by the rasterization process. Gradients, patterns, and effects will also display the way they'll be rendered, helping you spot banding or texture issues ahead of time. A helpful cue is the check mark next to Pixel Preview in the View menu while the mode is active. That lets you know you're still looking at the pixel-based rendering. Use this preview when you want to confirm crispness at typical on-screen sizes, or when you're preparing assets for web and mobile where alignment to the pixel grid can make or break visual clarity. If something appears fuzzier than expected, take it as a signal to refine the shapes or stroke settings later so they sit more cleanly on the pixel grid. When you're ready to return to the standard vector view, go back to View, choose Pixel Preview again, and uncheck it. You'll instantly switch back to Illustrator's default rendering, where everything looks razor sharp because it's being drawn as vectors. Toggling this view on and off as you work is a great way to stay confident that your final exports will match your intent. That's it. Enable Pixel Preview from the View menu to see the pixel-accurate version of your design and uncheck it to go back to normal. With this simple toggle, you'll catch issues